So my name is Aryani Dogra and I am pursuing Masters of Finance program here at Judge. So before coming to Judge, I was working in a Big Four in their assurance and risk management department. But I thought that I wanted to do some hit of strategic importance, and that's when I decided to pursue the MFin program, and here I am. So to be honest, I wouldn't say that there was this one particular movement that I would say is transformational. But if I look back, there are a lot of events that I would say were meaningful or transformational, starting right from the City Speaker series dinners that we had the chance to get onto one-on-one like communication with the CEOs, industry leaders. So that was a bit transformational, and then working on group projects like equity research project with so much talented colleagues. So I think these all experiences have been really meaningful. So as already mentioned that I was working in finance domain, and I knew that I wanted work globally and I wanted to get that global exposure. So then I started looking into different programs, and I was very specific that I wanted to do a master's in finance because I wanted to strengthen my financial technicals. So that's when I started talking to people over LinkedIn and came across MFin alumni who shared their experience that how this program really helped them in defining their careers. Nor were they able to transition the geographies but also the domains. So that was one of the things that really inspired. So my highlight would be engaging with different student groups. So currently I am leading the Cambridge India Business Society. We are also currently working on our cultural event, the Cambridge India Business Dialogue. I have been involved in private equity, venture capital society, sustainable physics. So I think that's the most engaging part of the program for me. And apart from that, I would say the faculty. They are so experienced, and for subjects like private equity and quantitative asset allocation, we have professors who are seasoned industry professionals. So when you are in their class, you can actually feel that. So my first and foremost tip would be to apply as early as you can. Don't wait for that correct moment. Nothing would change. And my second advice would be that don't hesitate in asking any questions. So reach out to the MFin program team. They do reply, and in my case, Heba was constantly answering all my questions. And I also had this call with Mava, where she gave me a perspective, and that call really helped me in making my decision to go ahead with this program. So I would suggest going through that and getting your CV also reviewed.